We present Primary Mathematics for Standard 7 pupils. In the studio is the radio teacher and two Standard 7 pupils, Heta and Mwasi. Welcome to the program.
Hello Standard 7 pupils. In this program, we are going to learn how to work out the area of a circle. Class, what else have we learned about a circle? Give the answer to your teacher. Heta, what have we learned about a circle?
We have learnt about radius, diameter and circumference of a circle.
Good, Heta. Class, did you say radius, diameter and circumference? Good. In short, the radius is written as R, diameter as D and circumference as C. Class, explain to your teacher what circumference, radius and diameter are. Mwasi, what do you understand by circumference, radius and diameter?
Circumference is distance round the circle. Radius is distance from the center of the circle to the circumference. The diameter is the distance between 2 points on the circumference through the center of the circle.
Good, Mwasi. Class, did you get the correct answer? Good. Class, remember that the circumference is the perimeter of a circle. Teacher, draw a circle and label radius, diameter and circumference. Class, tell your teacher the relationship between circumference, radius and diameter. Heta, what is the relationship between circumference, radius and diameter?
Diameter is equal to 2r, circumference is equal to 2 pi r, or circumference is equal to pi d.
Good, Heta. Class, did you get the correct relationship? Good. Teacher, write the relationship on the chalkboard. Class, since d is equal to 2r, we can write circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Class, work out the circumference of a circle, radius 4.2 centimeters, and give the answer to your teacher. Take pi to be 22/7. Mwasi, what is the circumference of a circle whose radius is 4.2 centimeters?
The circumference of the circle is 26.4 centimeters.
Good, Mwasi. Class, did you get 26.4 centimeters? Good. To obtain the circumference, we work out the product of 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by r. That is 2 multiplied by 22/7 multiplied by 4.2 centimeters, which is equal to 26.4 centimeters. Class, we can also work out the area of a circle by dividing it into sectors. Teacher, draw a circle on the chalkboard and divide it into 12 equal sectors. Class, tell your teacher how many sectors form the circle. Mwasi, how many sectors are there?
The circle has been divided into 12 equal sectors.
Good, Mwasi. Class, did you get 12 sectors? Good. Teacher, draw the 12 sectors arranged to form a rectangle. Class, how many sectors form the length of the rectangle? Give the answer to your teacher. Heta, how many sectors form the length of the rectangle?
6 sectors form the length of the rectangle.
Good, Heta. Class, did you say 6 sectors? Good. Since there are 12 sectors, the length of the rectangle consists of half of the sectors, which is 6. Class, tell your teacher what the length of the rectangle is. Mwasi, what is the length of the rectangle?
The length of the rectangle is half the circumference.
Good, Mwasi. Class, did you say the length of the rectangle is half the circumference? Good. Class, why is the length of the rectangle a half of the circumference of the circle? Give the answer to your teacher. Heta, why is the length of the rectangle a half of the circumference of the circle?
The length of the rectangle is half the circumference because the length is formed by half of the sectors, which form half of the circumference of the circle.
Good, Heta. Class, did you get the correct answer? The length of the rectangle is a half of the circumference because the length is formed by the sectors that form half of the circumference of the circle. Class, what is the width of the rectangle? Give the answer to your teacher. Mwasi, what is the width of the rectangle?
The width of the rectangle is the same as the radius of the circle.
Good, Mwasi. Class, did you get the correct answer? Good. Look at the rectangle and note that the width of the rectangle is the radius of the circle. Teacher, label the length a half the circumference and width r. Class, tell your teacher how you can get the area of a circle. Heta, how do we get the area of the circle?
The area of the circle is the same as the area of the rectangle. Therefore, to get the area of the circle, we work out the area of the rectangle.
Good, Heta. Class, Did you get the correct answer? Good. We have arranged all the sectors of the circle to form a rectangle. Therefore, the circle and the rectangle have the same area. Hence, we can obtain the area of a circle by working out the area of the rectangle. Class, work out the area of the circle and give the answer to your teacher. Mwasi, what is the area of the circle?
The area of the circle is half the circumference multiplied by radius, which is equal to a half multiplied by 2 pi r multiplied by r, which gives us pi r squared.
Good, Mwasi. Class, did you get pi r squared? We know that the area of a rectangle is length multiplied by width, and that the circle and the rectangle have the same area. Therefore, the area of the circle is a half the circumference multiplied by r, which is equal to a half multiplied by 2 pi r multiplied by r, which gives us pi r squared. Remember, circumference is equal to pi d, or 2 pi r. Teacher, write circumference is equal to pi r squared on the chalkboard. Class, work out the area of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeters. Take pi to be 22/7.